check this out. The bluestone is down on our ramp, which runs from the driveway all the way up to the front entryway. Heath, how you doing?
Hey, Kevin.
So you obviously got a lighting plan for us out here. What is it?
We do. So the architects came up with a good idea to do lights in the wall, some kind of step light for the ramp here.
So I saw a couple that were installed already. You've got one in right here.
Yep.
That's actually going to shine down. We're going with that black theme that we've seen throughout.
Exactly. And part of the reason we waited this long to put them in versus jumping on them ahead of time is they wanted to put these in the courses of the siding. They didn't want to have any kind of block in here that the siding had to go around. They wanted a really, really clean look.
Oh.
So we had to have this siding on first.
Beautiful. So you've got a layout right there, line snap. Can I see the fixture that you got?
Yeah, check it out.
For us? So that's actually going to look right in there. But I presume it's LED?
LED, self-contained LED.
And what's up with this?
Those are my favorite little things, like a little cheater.
I could do that.
I don't even need a wire nut. Just strip it and stuff the wire.
Terrific. Okay. So how are you going to cut that out?
So I'm going to use a multi-tool with a special blade. Should cut right through that. We'll go through the sheathing and slide the box in.
I'll step back and let you do your thing.
All right. When we put that in, when we turn the screw, it's going to wing open and actually pull forward and clamp.
Nice. Oof. That's satisfying.
All right, now I need your help.
Sure. What do you
You want to jump inside and push that wire out? I'm going to have you come through the lower knockout down in this corner of the box.
Okay.
All right, perfect. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and actually make these up. Look at that, isn't that nice?
That is nice.
Take the end off a little bit.
So that looks like regular line wire. This is not low voltage.
These are not low voltage, these are line voltage. We're starting to see a lot more fixtures actually come with these on them already.
All right.
And the last one. All right. So what I'm going to do next is fold these wires to the back of the box. And that's important when we use our bracket. That's going to mount to the box with those two holes, and the fixture will bolt here.
Nice.
So when it's in place, those wires want to be behind it and out of the way.
Got it. Okay.
All right.
Any chances these light up?
They do. You want to give them a shot?
Absolutely. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, nice, Heath. I like it.
Yeah, I think these do a great job. It's a nice soft color, nice down low on the ramp.
Yep.
Did a nice job lighting this up.
Won't get in your eyes. A nice, crisp, modern look. I think it looks great.
Yeah.
Nice job, Heath.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.